Hi everyone, Pete here. Chicken was on sale, so I bought a couple. I'm now going to show you how to cut the chicken into pieces. I have this dedicated cutting board that's going to be strictly used for this chicken. Before I set my cutting board up, I want to make sure that I have a damp, clean paper towel or damp, clean cloth. And what that does is it prevents the cutting board from moving all over the place. We have this chicken here, and I'm just going to remove the string. We have the 2 drums and 2 thighs. This is considered your dark meat. And then we have the 2 wings and 2 breasts. And here we have the backbone. So I'm going to take my very, very sharp boning knife and very carefully cut the backbone out. This backbone will be used for stock for a delicious soup. You want to just sort of be able to identify where the joints of the meat are, and that way you're not cutting through bone. You want to cut between joints. So as I can see right here, this is where the thigh connects to the breast. So I'm just going to find that joint and I'm just going to cut it. These wingtips will be great for my stock as well. So I'm going to find the joint here. I'm going to cut through the joint. I can cut this chicken in half and leave the cartilage intact, or I can debone the chicken and cut the cartilage out. I'll just start with my sharp knife and just cut. And there's the wishbone there, and I want to get all that meat. This is a chicken supreme, this little wingtip bone here, the drumette. That will give our chicken a lot more flavor. This will be roasted and used in our stock. If I do want to cut thigh in the drumstick, just break it, find out where the joints meet, and cut through. So there's our thigh, and here's our drumstick. So we have 2 chicken supremes. We have our bones for stock, and then we have quarter chicken here with the thigh and the drumstick, and then we have it into pieces. I can freeze this once I cook it if this was already frozen, or if this was a fresh bird and never frozen, I could now freeze it. A healthier choice is to remove the skin, because chicken skin has a lot of saturated fat. Make sure that you cook the pieces to 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I have some lovely chicken to cook with. I've got chicken pieces, and I really stretched my dollar. I got this whole chicken for the same price as 2 chicken breasts. Now I can make a stock, and I have enough chicken to feed my family. Eat well, live well.